Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I'm not making a project, I'm showing the finished result, but I'm going to be talking about the new Paper Florist dies. Now, I'm pretty sure, because I showed them a picture of this to my team and I said, what have you all done with the Paper Florist dies? And half of them went, what? Where are they? So they are a standalone product towards the back of the catalogue. Here we go, page 165. They're here. You can see them in use, it says on page 33, which is here. Okay, but they're not attached to a stamp set, and they are also heavily featured on the back of the catalogue. So you would be forgiven if you've missed it. Now, there's no training videos or anything on this, so I just pulled out the dies and I went, let's play. So I'm going to show you the dies first, and you get 2 sheets of them. So you get this one, which cuts out 4. There's this one that cuts out 2, and they've got 5 petals each. Oh, I think I might, yeah. See, I've confused myself. This one that cuts out 4, and this one that cuts out 3. Now, that's all I used because I could see quite clearly that these are petals and those are centres. This was the one that threw me, and I've since learned what you need to do with it. So I thought I would chop some out and we'll have a little bit of a play, because I possibly got, I don't think I've done anything wrong, in inverted commas, inverted even if I could speak. I don't think I've done anything wrong, but I think this is intended to be a different flower. So I've got my cut and emboss here. I've got the big one out so that I can just whiz a whole load through. So I've got plate 1, plate 2, clear plate, cardstock. I've got some pretty peacock left over from another project, and I'm going to cut one of those. I'm going to cut one of these. I'm going to recut this one because I think I got that wrong, because I seem to have cut it but don't appear to have put it on my card. I just cut loads of bits and stuff out. So we're going to do those ones, and yeah, because the other ones are already die cut. I'm also going to do this one and this one because I missed that too. These all create little centres, if I can focus. So these are all centres of flower. Well, yes, all centres of flowers and those ones. But this was the one here that really threw me. So I thought I will just share with you. I don't think there is any right or wrong with crafting, particularly when it's something like this. I think if you're like me, you're horticulturally challenged. I don't have green fingers at all. I really wouldn't know what most flowers look like. So, so I've run that lot through. Let's pop all the bits out, and then I want to do this one again. Where's that gone? Oh look, I've got no space. No space now. Have I got any scraps of pretty peacock? Probably not. Oh, silly Sam. Let's have a white one just for... Oh look, I haven't got that off either. Let's scooch those off, and that, and have some white. And run that back through again while I continue to natter and chatter about life, the world and everything. Okay. So, we'll do that. Oh, actually, I probably should have cut a few more of the other ones. What did I do with that peacock colour? Here it is, bring it back. So, I'm going to cut that one, and I don't know why those are different. Should we cut that as well? I'm sure some of you who did spot it in the catalogue and have... Oh, look, there's my hair's falling out. I have my hair loose today. I don't normally when I'm crafting. I normally tie it back up. I've got a lot of it. There's a lot of hair. It comes down to my belly almost now. Yeah, those of you who have got this, you've probably discovered stuff that I'm completely clueless to. And that's all good because you can teach me, because I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, so I thought when I made that card, which I do love, I don't think I've done anything wrong with my card, but I think it was simply a case of I was like, what's this bit for? So let's play and see what I can come up with and see if I can share stuff with you as to how I feel it goes together. And what I might do, actually I'm going to put the dies back because I don't want to lose any, because that would just be a nightmare. I was convinced this did one thing and apparently it does something else, and I'll get that. My husband and son are in the garage below me right now playing, obviously. I'm going to put this, yeah, let's get this bit of white so we can see what I'm doing. Yeah, they're in the garage below me right now, so that's always helpful. Okay, so this one that I cut, oh look, I've already got some in this colour. I spent ages, because it's got a little slice there. Can you see that? It's got a slice in the middle, so I'm like, was that meant to go like that? But I don't know. It might be, but I don't think it does. And I'm looking on the back here and going, well, no, it doesn't. So what I did, because I'm a rebel, not at all, I got my bone folder, and on these ones, on my card, I curled the bottom to make it stand up. So I went like that so that I got the lift there, but I'm going to curl the top instead. So I've got 3 of these. And you just stick them together with glue. So I'll do that. Just finish off this these mini glue dots. And I just went like that. And then I grabbed some of these ones, which I can't get hold of, these to elevate and push them in the middle. But I have since found, oh, I need to straighten that back out again. And I'm going to have to do these with odd colours. This is allegedly a sunflower. Who knew? So, I don't know how to do this to get it in 6. Seriously, they're going to now, they're drilling something on Jack's car. Underneath where I am. Oh look, my thing's unrolled. Ugh. Oh, this is messy. I'm gonna kill them. I said to them, don't forget, I'm filming. Yes, 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 no problem. I still don't think I've got this right, you know. Probably would look better if all the petals were the same colour. So, yeah, no, I've still not done it right. Oh, maybe it's meant to go like that. Oh, maybe those are meant to slice. But anyway, yes, see, look, that makes more sense. Die cut some more. Anyway, so they're meant to slide in. But this is the one that threw me. And I'm like, is that grass? Is that, no, no. It's not grass. So I'm going to take my scoring tool, if I can. Actually, maybe I'll do this with a pair of tweezers. That might be easier. So some tweezers, and you twist it round and round, and it's not focusing at all on my hands. There we go. Round and round, and we'll get a little blob of glue from my now rapidly running out mini glue dots on the last one, and you splay it out a little bit like that. Focus, and it's the centre of a flower. Who knew? Not me. And it would go in the middle. Maybe not that one. Arguably, possibly. Ooh, this one. I haven't done this one. Where is it? So I want the back of my, take your pick. It's probably too big for it. Whoopsie. in the middle there, and we put that one on there, that one over the top, and that in the centre. Ooh, that's quite fun actually. So let me glue those together. I would if I could get it off. There we go. So offset that a little bit. Oh. Just rip that bit off. And then a couple of mini glue dots on there and into the middle of that. Like I say, it's probably the wrong flower. Oh look, I've stuck it to that now, for goodness sake. And if it focuses, there we go. And if you lift everything up, it kind of is, we're into daffodil territory, I think. But yeah, I did not know what that one was for, and now I do. So that's good. Right, last one. Oh no, I've got all of these little centre bits. So that could go in the centre of a flower. I don't really like that flower now I've made it, but I've shown you what not to do. In the middle of that one, these are centres, but it's this one that I wanted to show you. So, what am I looking for? Here we go. So it's that one, and then these diddy little bits, you would cut them in a different colour. And they are tulips. Did not spot them as tulips, and I do like a tulip, and I can identify a tulip. That's about all I can identify. Tulips! Who knew? So, I like this very much. I think it's a very pretty, very fun set. What else did I put together when I was making stuff? This one that was 4 crosses. I had a big one with a small one over the top. So I put 2 together, and that made this one. And then I put all 4, because it cuts all 4 out at the same time, and made that one as well. My flowers there. So this one I put 6 round it, 6 of this one round the edge, and then a small and a large of this one that you cut as a pair in the middle, 3 on that one in the middle, and then that as a standalone there and there. And yeah, so like I said, I didn't think anybody else had missed it until, like I say, when I posted my team, and they're like, oh, apparently I'm going shopping now. So I figured some of you might have missed it as well, but also if you're like me and you haven't worked out, I'm not convinced that that is obvious, that little centre. Seriously, why does my camera want to focus on the thing just in the background? I don't know that it was obvious, but it is now. So if I'm sharing that with you. But like I say, I mean, the stuff on the back of the catalogue, so this is lots of this particular set, but it's also the daisies, whose name I've forgotten now. And then page 33. Look, see? I didn't even notice that. Ooh, that's a nice way to put the flowers. Similar to what I did there. But yeah, they're using it as well. So you might have missed it. I bought this stamp set, this one here, which is why I spotted it. I was like, ooh, where do I make those flowers? So yeah, anyway, I hope that's useful. I hope that helps. Paper Florist Dies is the name of them. Paper Florist Dies 161284. And they're still in the garage, making a lot of noise on Jack's car. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.